What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my sixth dividend payment with AGNC. Count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dividend payment. Now, I love this company because they pay dividends monthly. So once again, I'm going to show you that just because I want to be transparent with you guys. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I've been pretty fortunate to invest in the stock market, and I'm really still very new to this, even though I have a lot of money invested in the stock market. And I'm going to be showing you guys my journey. For those of you guys that are new, there was a time where I was down $60,000. I'm still down overall, but I'm definitely making my way, digging my way out of that hole. So I'm going to be showing you guys my journey. But in this particular video today, I'm going to show you that I got my sixth dividend payment. That's incredible. I love AGNC because they pay dividends out monthly, and it is a pretty high dividend yield on this particular company. A lot of people don't necessarily like this company because it's risky and so on and so forth, but I'm willing to take some risk in order to be rewarded nicely. So I'm going to log into Robinhood here. I'm going to touch Robinhood on the app. Face ID, and so we're in my Robinhood account right now. Today is a very, very good day thanks to Apple and Tesla. I have a lot of Apple shares and Tesla shares, and those two companies have driven my account, especially today. I'm currently up $6,000. So if I touch on the beginning of the day here, 8:10 a.m., you see that I was investing, according to Robinhood, $195,000. And as the day progressed, my account continued to go up, mainly because Apple is up today like over $3 and Tesla is up today over 50 something dollars. So I'm showing you guys my account here, and right now we're at $2,647 dollars. Okay, so if I scroll down real quickly, I'll show you Apple and Tesla real quick. So here's Apple. Apple's up $3.14. That means that's great for me. So today alone on Apple, I'm up $1,700. You can see today's return, $1,700. Total return, $5,700. Tesla, I'll touch on Tesla real quickly. Tesla is up $59 today. That is great news for me. So today's return with Tesla, I'm up $4,100. And my overall return with Tesla, I'm up $18,000. Keep in mind, I'm still in the red, and I'll show you guys that. I'll go back here and I will show you, I'll touch on 1Y in the middle of the screen, which means 1 year. And my overall investment is $205,000, right? And right now my account is sitting at $200,000. So I'm still under the money that I've actually put into the stock market. All right, I just want to show you guys that because I'm trying to be transparent. And once again, the purpose of this channel is just to share what's possible and what people could do. The real magic is going to happen for me because of dividend investing. Okay, so 15, 20, 25 years down the line, I'm going to be making a lot of passive income with dividend payments, and that's the magic of the stock market. I'm not really interested anymore, or I shouldn't say anymore, but I'm not interested as much as doing day trading and swing trading because I still have a bad taste in my mouth from when I was down $60,000. All right, so I'm going to scroll down to AGNC here, and I'm going to touch on it and show you guys that I did get a dividend payment recently. So my average cost per share with AGNC is $14.84. And right now it is $17.24 per share. So I'll scroll down and show you guys that I got my most recent dividend payment here, which is on March 21st. Well, it says March 21st, but actually it's April. April, I got a dividend payment here. So I'll show you guys real quickly. I got a dividend payment on April 12th, right? And so you guys can see there, because I owned 185 shares, and they paid 12 cents per share. They reinvested, I got $22.29, and it was reinvested back into AGNC, which allowed me to get 30 shares, okay, and I got it for $17.12. So that money is reinvested right back into that particular company. I want to show you guys that I've gotten 6 dividend. This is my 6th dividend payment. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see November the 10th, I got $9. December the 10th, I got $9. January 12th, because I grabbed some more shares, I got $21.08. February 9th, I got $21.24. March 9th, I got $22.13. And then April 12th, I got $22.29. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is my 6th dividend payment with AGNC. And I like it because that particular company pays monthly. That's exciting to me to get monthly dividend payment. All right, that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm not going to take too much of you guys' time. Once again, I'm not a pro by any means. I'm just someone that's kind of learning on the fly and documenting my journey, and you guys are going to see that. You guys see my portfolio right now. You see $200,000 as of now at the making of this particular video, but one day this is going to be a lot more money. This is already a lot of money, but it's going to be a lot more money, and I'm going to be here to document my journey. You guys may have the opportunity to see this at $500,000 at one point, maybe 10 years down the road, 5 years down the road. I don't know, but we will see. I will document it. All right. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps tremendously. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.